experience, okay naman. Very, ano naman sila.
Accommodating
And responsive. Yeah.
Very responsive naman si Sir JP all throughout ng application namin. And very friendly
Wala
sila.
naman naging problema sa process.
Yes. Naging smooth naman.
Siya pa yung mayroong problema sa process namin.
Naging smooth naman yung journey namin during the processing. Very happy din kami dun sa outcome namin kasi ng application dahil ginaid nila kami throughout after ng lodging and before ma-lodge, na make sure naman nila na lahat ng documents namin is maayos.
Lalo pa na-approve yung visa.
Yung mga dapat
masaya.
Maging i-polish naman. Na feeling, personal choice ko yung CNC kasi feeling ko mas okay yung location and yung educational yung educational offer nila is okay din. Nalaman namin yung ATC through Sir Jello at nirecommend siya ni Sir Jello and then feedback namin is magre-recommend kami ng if may kakilala kaming mga friends na gusto din mag-study.
And family din.
So mag-study abroad or dito sa Canada din, mare-recommend namin ng ATC. Kasi very helpful sila talaga.
Ma-recommend namin siya.
Recommend namin yung ATC.
ATC para ma-process yung visa nila. Tulong dun. Natutulungan sila ng ATC. Ma-recommend namin yung ATC na matutulungan sila. Dahil ganoon din yung ginawa nila sa amin.
Thank you.